New at 11, the sight of spring storms can dampen anyone's day, but for some Lake Worth Beach neighbors, they say steady rain can bring serious flooding risks. WPTV's Joel Lopez with the lengths some neighbors in Lake Worth Beach are going to, that they must go to protect their belongings. Joel.
Jay, residents say whenever there's heavy rain, their first floor floods, and now protection like these sandbags in front of their doors are the new normal. Waking up in the morning.
Yeah, this is part of my daily routine. I've had to become a weatherman.
Thinking about so many things. The first thing Josh Diaz does is check the weather.
Days like today, I'll look at it every hour, for sure. Have to. Otherwise, we wouldn't be ready. It'll just start pouring and flooding in 15 minutes time.
Diaz lives in the West Village Art Lofts, a building residents say has a history of flooding. In this video from a December storm, water filled their lofts. And days like today,
A second ago it was sunny, and here it is, it's coming through again. It's Florida, that's how it goes.
to prevent damage, Diaz has sandbags for his entryways, and inside, cinder blocks to raise his furniture and recording equipment.
This is our day-to-day life, yeah. This is how we've been just getting through.
Neighbors like Marcel Bassett have completely blocked off their garages and invested thousands into flood barriers.
If we know it's going to rain, we just put it in there and leave and go to work and hope that we come home to a dry house.
Bassett says years of flooding has left nearly $70,000 in damages and hopes the city can help before hurricane season.
If we get a bad hurricane and something's not done, these homes will be probably destroyed.
Neighbors say they've been told there is a bottleneck in the drainage system and plan to bring it to the city council's attention. We reached out to the city of Lake Worth Beach and they say the issue is with drainage, and residents say that they were told there is a project in the works to detour some of that runoff that's overwhelming the closest drain. Reporting live in Lake Worth Beach, Joel Lopez, WPTV, News Channel 5.